Make money online. What are the best ways to make money online? Are you tired of the daily grind? Looking for new ways to make money online? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're sharing the best strategies to help you earn without ever leaving the comfort of your home. First up, freelance work. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients who need your skills. Whether you're a writer, designer, or coder, there's a gig out there waiting for you. Next, consider online tutoring. With the rise of remote learning, there's a growing demand for educators. Websites like VIPKid and Teachable connect you with eager students in need of your expertise. Have a passion for creating? Sell your handmade products on sites like Etsy or Amazon Handmade. Turn your hobby into a thriving business and watch your profits soar. But why stop at physical products? Create digital products like ebooks, online courses, or printables. Platforms like Gumroad or Teachable make it easy to create and sell your creations to a global audience. Affiliate marketing is another great option. Partner with brands you love and earn a commission for each sale generated through your unique referral link. Amazon Associates and Share a Sale are just a few programs to get you started. Invest in stocks or cryptocurrency. Platforms like Robinhood and Coinbase make it easy for beginners to start investing. Learn the ropes, take calculated risks, and watch your wealth grow over time. If you've got an eye for detail, try website or app testing. Platforms like user testing pay you to provide feedback on various digital products, helping companies improve their user experience. Lastly, don't forget about passive income. Earn money while you sleep by investing in rental properties, creating a blog, or producing YouTube videos. The sky's the limit. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of online money making and start building your dream life today.